Today we have an astute politician, a woman of substance, D.K. Aruna. Hello ma'am. Thank you so much for joining with us. Congratulations on being selected as the Vice President for BJP.
Thank you, ma'am.
What are your emotions on this, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm very happy actually. So, as our President Nadda ji has selected me and given me an opportunity as a national Vice President. So, Telangana is the next target for BJP, for our party. So, people are expecting in Telangana, BJP should come into power. And all from rural level also, now people are thinking that now in Telangana, everybody is looking for a change. So then it's there is BJP in overall in countrywide. So Narendra Modi has given so much confidence to the people of India. So everybody is looking at BJP and Narendra Modi. So in Telangana also people are looking at BJP in next government. So BJP should come into power. So we will work according to people's ambition. We are planning to work in Telangana and we will come into power in Telangana.
Right, ma'am. You spoke about how people of Telangana are feeling towards BJP. What are your emotions, ma'am? How are you feeling? It's been a huge shift from Congress to BJP and now you're the Vice President. How are you feeling about it? How are your family members taking it and how are people of Gadwal reacting on it?
Yeah, everybody is very happy. So when I joined BJP, so many people, there were different opinions, different feelings and everything like that at the election time. But now everybody is happy. So in my family also, in our family, in friends and everything, in my constituency, in my Nagar Parliament and my assembly constituency in Gadwal, everybody is happy about it. And people of whole Telangana also in BJP cadre and neutral and educated. In every this thing, everybody is happy and everybody is now they're all having now they got some confidence in Telangana. Yes, there is a chance of coming BJP into power now. Now everybody was thinking though, so KCR is so powerful, he has a lot of money power and especially money power. So everybody is thinking he has so much of money, he spends lot of money in every election, in a small Gram Panchayat ward member, from ward member to Gram Panchayat to MLA, MP, whatever election, they're spending a lot of money. Because of this money power and this false promises and all, because of all this, people used to think that it's difficult for Telangana. So now people are, after appointing Sanjay as a president of Telangana BJP and giving opportunity MOS to Kishan Reddy in the center, and now Lakshman ji, OBC, national president OBC in giving ex-president. So now me as a woman and also people are looking at she was a strong leader in Congress. Now she has moved to BJP. Now she will get lot of Congress people into. Everybody will be having some close contacts. I was having so many leaders and second grade leaders or whatever. So now everybody is having some confidence that a lot of changes will be there in Telangana. So we will work together as our party expectations and definitely will bring lot of people from other parties into BJP and whatever expectations party has or people has, we will work according to it.
Ma'am, can you give us little elaborate details on what are the plans of BJP for Telangana?
Yeah, BJP in Telangana, there were a lot of expectations when Telangana was formed. Right. So the lot of promises which KCR did at the time of agitation. So after forming Telangana, now the completely what we said before Telangana formation, now what is speaking after Telangana formed, so that's totally different. So we will work as expectations people were having when they were expecting they want separate Telangana, they want separate formation of Telangana, why they wanted Telangana. So we will work whatever the people's expectations were there, lot of employment issues are there, lot of other issues, developmental issues also in grassroots level. There is no development since last 6 years. Other than this, they are speaking about these irrigation projects, whatever projects were taken earlier only, before forming Telangana. Every project were planned and started before Telangana formed only. So they are misusing and misleading people of Telangana. So we are planning, we will go to the people's grassroots level and we take the Narendra Modi's, what is his plans, what is his planning for India. Every poor from every poor should get like education and health also they should get help from the government, and all there are a lot of schemes also from central government. So we'll take all those schemes to the people of in every grassroots level. So then housing program is also utter failure. Whatever Telangana CM has promised 2-bedroom house, there is no 2-bedroom houses in Telangana. Hardly there were 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 maybe in city only. They promised 2 lakhs double-bedroom houses in city in her last GHM's elections. But till now they have constructed recently whatever the picture came out. Hardly they were below 5,000 only. So they're all fast. Just again we are going to GHM's election. We are going for GHM's elections for next month, December. So again they want to make people, they want to fool people again, housing and this development, whatever they have promised. In 100 days, they'll make this Hyderabad, Dallas and all, whatever they have promised. But till now, Hyderabad scene, we know, the lot of water, whenever the rain comes in Hyderabad, it's horrible for the people of Hyderabad. So there are a lot of issues. We'll go to the public and we'll explain. We'll tell about the central government schemes, about the failures of this government, everything. We'll go, and we are very much confident that definitely BJP will come into power in Telangana.
Ma'am, being a woman, a dynamic leader that you have been, what are your plans for women empowerment in the state?
Yeah, actually there was no women minister in the first term. We were questioned a lot of times. So we questioned a lot of times. So recently, he included 2 women into the cabinet. That's I don't know, a lot of yeah. So I think there is, but I don't think he is very much keen on women empowerment or women. I don't think we didn't see that much this thing in KCR. This thing actually. So definitely, women empowerment is we have seen in Narendra Modi's cabinet, and also this national parties committee, national party committee also. You have seen lot of women are included in this. So definitely we also in the state party also looking for a women to come into politics, educated or whoever interested into politics. We definitely encourage women in Telangana, and we are confident about women also will come into. A lot of people are looking at BJP, lot of women looking at BJP. Lot of opportunities are coming.
Ma'am, from South India, what kind of role do you think Telangana would take? Do you think Telangana will take a front from South India to portray as in nationwide?
Sure. Next in election, always. At present